Huh? Put it on that screw. Turn it another.
I said, yeah, I ain't never seen that one. If it go on there, though, that'd be a good thing. Take it off and tighten it up with the key. Toolbox, man. Yeah, good. All right.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. See. Is that one of my... Yeah, is that one of my peaches?
Where?
Right there.
It look like.
Oh, man. Stupid squirrels.
Oh, I'm not either.
Or the squirrel. So, they need more than that, man. They need an elephant gun. So this is the... Oh, it's right here. Yeah, that's what it currently looks like, but my videos aren't caught up on it yet. So you're the only one, and Evie the only one who have a sneak peek of what it looks like now. No, I just gotta push the soil, got to even the soil out. So this is what it looks like today. The video that I put out this morning has the dirt being put in. And these are the vegetables I planted earlier. I'm just gonna have stuff here. Yeah, I'm gonna get 4 more of these beds right here, and I'm gonna put them over there. Nah. The only thing I'm gonna have in the ground is over here. Quiet. Right here. Yeah, man. No, he right there. Yeah, he wants some blood. And this is what my vegetables look like. Man, this pollen vicious. Oh man, I got it right in my throat, right here.
Get down your truck.
Jeez. Yeah, that's a lot. Papers.
Which is not bad.
No.
You know what the instructions or boxes that's in this box?
You found instructions?
No, that's all I'm asking you.
Oh, I don't know where they are.
I know mom got some. She keep her paperwork.
Who, my mom?
Yeah.
She does.
I got to go right to it. Oh yeah, I think I got it in here somewhere. Might be in that one. I mean, it's still dry. It goes in here, so I put it into the drill bit.
Okay. You said what? That small? Not power. I don't think power.
You know, I gotta have one in my drill. Yeah.
YouTube, your weekend gardener here. What's going on? Got the guys over here working on the foundation of the greenhouse. Here's the patio pavers that I'm going to use for the floor, and the greenhouse is in this kit right here. It's going to take a few days to put it up. Like I was saying the other day, maybe what I do is I put a wall right here to protect against wind. A fence. Yeah, I may do that. That way I stop a lot of the wind from this way. The shed is going to stop a lot of the wind from that way. And I need to talk to John about possible electricity. I may just go solar, total solar. I got a couple of panels. I may get some more panels, then a battery connected to solar. Put the solar panels out in the yard. Wintertime, they should be safe. Just got to clean off snow if it does snow. Tonight I'm going to come up with a design. I'm going to put mostly my trees in here. Oh, this pollen got me today. It's rough. Excuse me. But yeah, so what I was saying was we're going to do the structure a little different than we did at my mom's house because we saw our failures there. So we're going to improve on that. And the biggest thing we want to do is structure the roof so we don't have to worry about it coming in if there's any snow. But also, too, I'm going to clean the snow off, and then I'm going to have a heater to melt the snow. As far as fastening the panels in, the polycarbonate, we're going to use clips, screws, and just different things to hold the panels on. Probably use shade cloths over the top. Just beef it up a little bit. Conduit pipe. Try to find some videos where people were doing theirs and what they did wrong and what they did right. Probably copy off a lot of what they did. But right now, this is where we stand. We're starting to build possibly the weekend. We're just bringing out the tools and stuff. And today what he's going to do is shore up the wood frame. We're going to put the greenhouse on top, anchor it down. So that should be some weight to it. As far as the front doors, I am going to replace the front doors with opening doors. The sliding glass door thing I thought was always some garbage. So we're going to change the front door. So this is what we're looking at right now, and